So you're thinking about buying a used Lexus UX. Smart choice. But here's the catch. Only a few model years are truly the best Lexus UX years to buy. Others come with hidden problems, frustrating technology, and lower resale value. Today, we'll break down the best Lexus UX years to buy, the most reliable models, and the years you should avoid if you want the Lexus ownership experience everyone talks about. Let's get started. The best Lexus UX years to buy used are 2021, 2023, and 2024. Let's look at each one. Number 1. 2021 Lexus UX. If you're looking for a balance between price and reliability, the 2021 Lexus UX is one of the best Lexus UX years to buy used. By 2021, Lexus had already addressed several of the early problems and issues that affected the first-generation models. One of the biggest upgrades was the standardization of key safety features. Earlier models required optional packages to get technologies that many drivers now expect as standard equipment. But in 2021, Lexus made the following features standard across all trims: blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, Lexus Safety System Plus updates, improved lane tracing assist. For drivers in the 40 to 65 age group, these features make a real difference in everyday driving comfort and confidence. Another major advantage of the 2021 model is the hybrid system. The UX250H uses Toyota's fourth-generation hybrid architecture, which has proven to be extremely durable. Industry analysts often describe this system as one of the most reliable hybrid powertrains ever built. And because the UX hybrid system reduces engine load and brake wear, long-term maintenance costs tend to be lower. Fuel economy is also impressive. Most owners report real-world numbers between 40 and 42 mpg. That's incredible efficiency for a luxury crossover. On the used market today, a 2021 Lexus UX Hybrid typically sells for $27,000 to $32,000, making it one of the smartest choices among the best Lexus UX years to buy used. Number 2. 2023 Lexus UX. Now let's talk about what many experts consider the biggest improvement in the UX lineup: the 2023 Lexus UX. And this is where Lexus fixed what many owners considered the biggest flaw in the vehicle: the infotainment system. Earlier models used Lexus's controversial remote touch interface. This system used a laptop-style touchpad on the center console to control the screen. In theory, it sounded innovative, but in real-world driving, it created several usability issues. Drivers had to take their eyes off the road to navigate menus, which increased distraction. For older drivers especially, the interface created what ergonomics experts call cognitive load. In simple terms, it made the system harder to use while driving. In 2023, Lexus eliminated the touchpad entirely. Instead, the UX received a modern touchscreen infotainment system with a larger display and much faster software. And that change alone makes the 2023 model one of the best Lexus UX years to buy used. But Lexus didn't stop there. The 2023 model also received structural improvements. Engineers added reinforcement points to the chassis, increasing overall body rigidity. These updates improved ride quality, handling stability, and long-term durability. These updates pushed the UX into a new level of refinement. For buyers comparing the best Lexus UX years to buy used, the 2023 model stands out as one of the most complete packages. Number 3. 2024 Lexus UX. The 2024 Lexus UX continues the improvements introduced in 2023. By this point, Lexus had refined both the software and the structural updates. As a result, the 2024 model is widely considered one of the most reliable years in the UX lineup. It benefits from a fully refined infotainment system, improved build quality, updated Lexus safety system, and hybrid efficiency improvements. But because the 2024 model is still relatively new, prices remain higher in the used market. Most examples sell between $34,000 and $38,000. So while it's one of the most reliable years, it may not always represent the best value compared with the 2021 or 2023 models. Worst Lexus UX years. These are the Lexus UX years to avoid if you're trying to maximize long-term ownership satisfaction. Number 1. 2019 Lexus UX. The 2019 Lexus UX was the first model year of this vehicle, and historically the first year of any new car tends to have the most problems and issues. The 2019 UX experienced several early production complaints. Common owner-reported issues included interior rattles, infotainment software glitches, touchpad usability frustrations, limited standard safety features. Another problem was value. The 2019 model lacked many safety features that later became standard. So when comparing used vehicles, buyers often find the 2019 model less attractive, even if the price is lower. That's why many experts list the 2019 UX among the worst years and a clear year to avoid. Number 2. 2020 Lexus UX. The 2020 Lexus UX improved slightly on the original model, but it still carried many of the same problems and issues. It continued using the earlier version of Lexus Safety System Plus, which was less refined than later versions. And more importantly, it still relied on the touchpad infotainment interface. For many drivers, this system remained the single biggest frustration in the UX lineup. So while the 2020 model isn't a mechanical disaster, it still falls into the category of worst years compared with the best Lexus UX years to buy used. Now here's where things get interesting. The 2022 Lexus UX is actually a mechanically sound vehicle. From a reliability perspective, it's solid. So why do some experts list it among the years to avoid? The answer is timing. The 2022 model represents the final year of the original interior design and technology platform. And just 1 year later, the 2023 Lexus UX received a massive technology upgrade. Because of that, the 2022 model sits in what analysts sometimes call a used car dead zone. It feels outdated compared with the 2023 version, and that affects resale value. So if you're choosing between a 2022 and a 2023 Lexus UX, the smarter long-term purchase is usually the 2023 model. At the end of the day, the Lexus UX is still one of the most reliable compact luxury crossovers you can buy. It combines Toyota hybrid durability with Lexus comfort and refinement. But if you're shopping smart, focusing on the best Lexus UX years to buy used makes all the difference.